Forgot passcode is a very common phenomenon today. So what to do when you forgot your iPhone screen passcode? Apple ID passcode or remote management information. PassFab iPhone Unlocker is your all-in-one trouble killer. If you lost your screen passcode or iPhone is disabled, connect your iPhone to the computer and pick Unlock Lock Screen. Press Start button. Download the firmware and click Start Unlock. Once done, you can set your iPhone as a new one. When you forgot your Apple ID passcode, choose Unlock Apple ID feature and click Start. If Find My iPhone is on, go to Settings. In General, Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Wait for a while, your Apple ID will be removed successfully. When you are stuck on MDM, select Bypass MDM. Click Start to bypass. A few moments later, remote management will be removed successfully.